Hello. So we are 3 days later trying to figure this out. I purchased 5 starter relays because these things are made in China and they're a piece of crap. So I was able to buy 5 for $8.49. I'm going to install this now and then up test it and see how it goes. Okay, so give me some. So first we're going to hook up the capacitor. One side of the capacitor goes here, and I explained earlier or in the last video, you know, the circuitry. The circuitry was very simple. I'm missing something else. Oh yeah, the other piece. This goes in here. So when the starter relay energizes, you know, the capacitor helps out. And the other one gonna go in here. The last piece. This one is coming from the thermostat. Okay. Now I'm gonna hook up the starter relay at the bottom of the prongs of the motor. You see it right there? You see it? The prongs of the motor. Okay, that's where it goes. 2 of them go there. Make sure it's tight. Okay, that's it. And the last piece is the overload. The overload goes on the top of the capacitor. Let me see. That's the overload right there. Let me sure it gets in there because it's hard to hook it up. Okay, now overload is in there. And I gotta put the relay back because I have to take it off for a second so it will fit. Come on, how hard is to put a freaking relay? Really? I'm not left-handed, that's why. Alright, so now that's how it goes. Okay. Alright, so now everything is hooked up. And let's go ahead and turn the power on, and we should see both lights. The power light, shit, where's that? We should see the power light. Alright, turn on. And the red light on. And the last time the motor wasn't running. Now it's running. You can hear the humming. You hear the humming? You hear the humming? Okay, that means the compressor and the motor are working. See, that's the compressor there, the sound. So now it should cool off. It should start freezing. And like I said, it took us what, 10 minutes total, maybe 20 minutes total, beginning to end. And we got extra relays. We got 4 extra because we know this relays are garbage. And it should be cooling very soon. Haha! It's gonna cool very soon. You can feel it, you can hear it. See? Alright. Thank you for watching and have a great day. We're gonna hook this up and put the last cover piece and then we're done. That piece over there. Yeah, that goes in there and then we're done. Thank you. Have a great day.